My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that come from the site notadsreviews.com. notadsreviews.com. If you see these pop-ups on your computer screen, obviously there is a problem with your system, and in particular there is a problem with your browser. These pop-ups by notadsreviews.com try to make you click on a special allow button integrated into it. But the website says you need to click on allow to confirm that you are not a robot. The reality is that to click on allow is risky and it's dangerous. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked. You may be redirected to some other malicious websites that may try to force you into downloading some potentially unwanted software, some suspicious files. Also, you will start receiving the great portion of advertisements in the right part of the screen. So, to deactivate these ads, click on the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security Site Settings, then go to Permissions and Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications and remove any junk sites you find from the list. After you have done that, the problem should be fixed with your browser. Just make sure you remove all these malicious sites that are causing such troubles. I also recommend researching your device additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats from your system. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats fully from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.